Dear viewers, imagine transforming a simple piece of wood into a breathtaking masterpiece. Artists around the world are doing just that, pushing the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. From intricately carved sculptures to stunning furniture pieces, the beauty of wood is showcased in ways you never imagined. Each creation tells a unique story, blending nature's raw materials with human ingenuity. Witness the delicate details of intricate carvings that seem to come alive, capturing the essence of moment and emotion. These artisans spend countless hours honing their skills, turning ordinary timber into extraordinary works of art. And it's not just about aesthetics. Many of these pieces serve a functional purpose, seamlessly integrating beauty and utility. Imagine a table that is not just a surface, but a conversation starter, a work of art that transforms your living space. With every cut, every polish, and every finish, these wood artists breathe life into their materials, reminding us of the beauty that exists in nature. It's a celebration of creativity, dedication, and the timeless allure of wood. Thank you for watching this journey into the world of homemade wood masterpieces. If you love these incredible creations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing art. Thank you.